Alright guys, what is going on? We're going to be installing this rear, I don't know where y'all put it, y'all. We're going to be installing this rear mud flap. Let me see you guys here. The stupid mosquitoes keep hitting my eyes. Right there should be good for y'all. Alright, so you guys can tell, I literally just put the first screw in right there. Now I'm about to place the second screw, probably a little lower, right there, really to secure it. And other than that, we're done. We're gonna move on to the other side. And people like it. That looks good. Alright, let me put this on real quick. There you go, that looks pretty good. Let me show you how it looks. Ooh, I kind of like it. Come on, man. we go. Look how dirty this thing is. Can't wait to get way bigger, thicker wheels, dog. Other than this little. Oh shoot! You all saw that? Alright. Yeah, way better than this little 7. Lower it. Let me tighten the wheels. But guys, after touching brake dust all over my hand and stuff, what the frick is it? Look, man, my wheels are so dirty, guys. I was gonna wash the car today. You see that? I didn't know I had a Mustang owner as a neighbor. I think it's one of the houses down there. But yeah, we finished. Let me show you how it looks. All the wheels are clean because of my hands. Let me show you how it looks. Bang, y'all. It'll focus. There you guys have it. All 4 installed. The ones in the front look alright. The ones in the back look good too. That one looks a little crooked. I should have fixed it. I could fix it right now actually. Do I have to bring it outside a little more? I believe so. Let's see this one. This one's a little messed up. I could just turn the wheel and just like bring it out a little bit more, because this thing's supposed to be like right here, you know what I mean? So let me bring my thing real quick and then I'm gonna fix it. But this is how it looks right now. Let me know what do you guys think. I think it's a little too much, like it's sticking out a little too much. I think it should have been a little more back in there, if you know what I mean. But other than that, this is how she's looking. I did hear a little bit of scrape. So maybe when I go over the humps and stuff, it'll make a little scraping noise, but other than that, it should be good. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna end it here, guys, because I have to edit and then redo this, upload it so you guys can see it, so I don't miss a day. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and that's what, guys, have a good one.